Hey there, it's Isabel, and today we'll be replacing the master and slave cylinder for my clutch. So what had happened was, we were going on a joyride with some friends when the clutch just fell flat. And then we had to limp it home.
There's no clutch. There's no clutch. So let me show you. No clutch, okay? Add a second. Match the revs, and it's right there. Nope. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
So let's get to it.
You got it?
Did it?
Oh, you did. Yeah.
Wow, I used all my body weight.
Thanks to Track Prep Performance, we got a new master and slave cylinder, so let's go unpack it.
Okay. Now we're going to send it down. All right, and step. All the way down. Let go. And step. And let go. All right, and step. Hold. Let go. Let go.
Oh, it feels different.
And step. Let go. Hold on. I think we got it. Let go. All right, step on it. Let go. Step on it faster. Nice. Let go. Step on it. I think we're good. Let go. All right.
Well, that went better than expected. Let's take it for a test drive.
Oh, very nice. Beautiful.
Nah, it's too dark.
Well, that was it. We thought it was going to be a lot harder than it actually was. A big thank you to Track Prep Performance for helping us out with the parts. There's still a lot more to be done with the car, so tune in next time.